Dogecoin cost pretty equivalent to $0.0763 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0761. 0.0773. The earlier day close, 0.0768. Or so they most certainly thought. The change explicitly was 0.0005, 0.65%. In every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Converse rate, United States dollars to Doge in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, walk 6, cost $0.074, essentially most extreme 0.079, especially least 0.069. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $0.073, truly most extreme 0.078, exceptionally least 0.068 in a huge way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $0.074, essentially most extreme 0.079, fundamentally least 0.069. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, walk 9, cost $0.072, genuinely most extreme 0.077, kind of least 0.067, which basically is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost $0.073, extremely greatest 0.078, all things considered, least 0.068 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, walk 13, cost $0.074, truly greatest 0.079, kind of least 0.069 in a huge way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $0.073, beautiful greatest 0.078, sort of least 0.068 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $0.070, all things considered, most extreme 0.075, lovely least 0.065, which especially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16, cost $0.069, greatest 0.074 in every practical sense, least 0.064, which generally is very huge. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, walk 17, cost $0.069, lovely most extreme 0.074, certainly least 0.064 in a truly significant way. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost $0.067, most extreme 0.072. Especially least 0.062 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.068, genuinely greatest 0.073, for the most part least 0.063 in a quite huge manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.066, sort of most extreme 0.071. Genuinely least 0.061 in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.067, exceptionally greatest 0.072, sort of least 0.062 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.069 in every way that really matters, greatest 0.074. Kind of least 0.064. In 3 weeks Dogecoin estimate on Monday, walk 27, cost $0.067, essentially most extreme 0.072, exceptionally least 0.062 in a genuinely significant way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $0.072, greatest 0.077, really least 0.067. Or so they generally thought. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.073, kind of most extreme 0.078, least 0.068, which especially is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.073 in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.078, truly least 0.068, or so they thought. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.073, kind of greatest 0.078, in every way that really matters, least 0.068, or so they generally thought. In about a month, dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $0.073, most extreme $0.078, truly least $0.068, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.073, all things considered, greatest $0.078, certainly least $0.068, showing how dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.073, genuinely most extreme $0.078, truly least $0.068 in an especially enormous way. United States dollars to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 13.1096 coins per $1, showing how dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.068, by and large greatest $0.073, especially least $0.063. Or so they generally thought. Today's reach, 12.9416 to 13.1492 in an unobtrusive way. The past day's nearby, 13.0157, so dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $0.073, for the most part greatest $0.078, truly least $0.068 in a truly significant way. Change for now plus $0.0939. Plus 0.72%. Dollar to dogecoin conjecture on Monday, walk 6, cost 13.514 coins, all things considered, greatest 14.493, especially least 12.658, which sort of is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Doge forecast on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 13.699 coins, lovely most extreme 14.706, by and large least 12.821. Which fundamentally is very critical. Dollar to dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 13.514 coins, certainly most extreme 14.493, kind of least 12.658. United States dollars to Doge forecast on Thursday, walk 9, cost 13.889 coins, sort of most extreme 14.925, by and large least 12.987. Which certainly is genuinely huge. Dollar to dogecoin estimate on Friday, walk 10, cost 13.699 coins, beautiful most extreme 14.706, certainly least 12.821, so us to Doge expectation on Thursday, walk 9, cost 13.889 coins, greatest 14.925 in every practical sense, least 12.987, which truly is very critical. In multi-week United States dollars to Doge expectation on Monday, walk 13, cost 13.514 coins, most certainly greatest 14.493 in every way that really matters, least 12.658 in every practical sense. Further appearance how dollar to dogecoin conjecture on Monday, walk 6, cost